Imagine you're trying to juggle multiple phone lines, expensive international calling rates, and a desire to streamline your communication. Wouldn't it be great if there was a single solution that could handle it all? In today's fast-paced world, efficient communication is key. Whether you're a small business owner, a frequent traveler, or simply someone looking to simplify your life, having a reliable and affordable phone system is essential. One name that often comes up in conversations about VoIP, Voice over Internet Protocol, services is Vonage. But here's the burning question. Does Vonage offer cell phone plans? Let's dive into the details and find out. Vonage's core offerings. Vonage primarily specializes in providing cloud-based business phone systems. These systems offer a range of features, including virtual numbers. Assign local or toll-free numbers to your business, regardless of your physical location. Call forwarding. Route calls to different numbers, such as your mobile phone or home line. Call recording. Automatically record calls for quality assurance or legal purposes. Video conferencing. Host virtual meetings and collaborate with team members remotely. Unified messaging. Manage voicemail, email, and SMS messages from a single inbox. While Vonage's core offerings are centered around business phone systems, they do have options that can integrate with your personal mobile phone. Vonage mobile apps. Vonage offers mobile apps for both iOS and Android devices. These apps allow you to make and receive calls. Use your Vonage number on your mobile phone, often at a lower cost than traditional carriers. Text messaging. Send and receive text messages using your Vonage number. Access voicemail. Check and manage your voicemail messages. Integrate with other Vonage features. Connect your mobile app with your business phone system for seamless communication. Is Vonage a traditional cell phone carrier? While Vonage does offer mobile apps and services, it's important to note that it's not a traditional cell phone carrier. It doesn't have its own cellular network. Instead, it relies on existing carrier networks to provide coverage. This means that while you can use your Vonage number on your mobile phone, you'll still need a separate cellular plan from a traditional carrier for full coverage and functionality. The benefits of using Vonage with your mobile phone. Despite not being a traditional carrier, using Vonage with your mobile phone can offer several benefits. Cost savings. Vonage often offers competitive rates for international calling and texting. Flexibility. You can easily switch between your Vonage number and your personal number, depending on your needs. Integration. If you have a Vonage business phone system, using the mobile app can streamline your communication and improve productivity. So, to answer the original question, does Vonage do cell phones? While it doesn't offer standalone cell phone plans, it provides mobile apps and services that can be integrated with your existing mobile phone. This can be a great option for businesses and individuals who want to simplify their communication and potentially save money. With that said, thanks for watching, and until next time.